Ever wondered what gives those mesmerizing, glowing signs their vibrant hues? That's right, neon. But have you ever stopped to think about how much this element actually costs? It's not as simple as a trip to the local hardware store, that's for sure. Today, we're diving deep into the world of neon, exploring its unique properties, its journey from the earth to your eyes, and ultimately, answering the burning question, what is the current cost of neon? Imagine a world without those iconic glowing signs that illuminate our cities. No dazzling open signs beckoning you in, no vibrant marquees showcasing the latest blockbuster. It's hard to imagine, isn't it? Neon, that seemingly simple element, plays a surprisingly crucial role in our modern lives. But what exactly makes it so special, and why does it command such a unique price tag? Neon, a noble gas, is incredibly rare. It's found in trace amounts in the Earth's atmosphere, making it a precious commodity. Extracting it is a complex and energy-intensive process. First, liquid air is produced by cooling air to extremely low temperatures. Then, through a process called fractional distillation, the different components of air are separated. Neon, being lighter than other gases like nitrogen and oxygen, rises to the top of the distillation column and is collected. This intricate process explains why neon is far from cheap. Now, let's talk about the factors that influence the cost of neon. Supply and demand. Like any commodity, the price of neon fluctuates based on supply and demand. Increased demand, driven by industries like advertising, electronics, and scientific research, can push prices higher. Production costs. As mentioned earlier, extracting neon is an energy-intensive process. The cost of energy directly impacts the final price of the element. Global market conditions, global economic factors, such as geopolitical events and trade regulations, can also influence neon prices. Purity. The purity of neon plays a crucial role in its cost. Higher purity levels are often required for specific applications, leading to a premium price, ***. But why is neon so valuable? What are its applications that justify its cost? Neon signs. This is perhaps the most recognizable use of neon. Its unique glow, available in a range of vibrant colors, makes it ideal for creating eye-catching advertisements. Lasers. Neon is used in the creation of powerful lasers, which have applications in medicine, scientific research, and industrial manufacturing. Cryogenics. Due to its low boiling point, neon is used as a cryogenic refrigerant in scientific research and industrial applications. Vacuum tubes. Neon is used in various types of vacuum tubes, including those found in electronics. High voltage indicators. Neon's distinctive glow makes it useful in high voltage indicators, such as those found in electrical equipment, ***. Now, the million-dollar question, what is the current cost of neon? Unfortunately, there's no single, easy answer. Neon prices fluctuate constantly based on the factors we discussed earlier. Wholesale prices for neon can vary significantly depending on the quantity and purity. Generally, you can expect to pay several dollars per liter for high-purity neon. Retail prices for neon will naturally be higher than wholesale prices. The cost will also depend on the specific application and the retailer. Finding current prices. The most accurate way to determine the current cost of neon is to contact reputable suppliers and request a quote, ***. So, there you have it. Neon, while seemingly simple, is a complex and valuable element with a unique set of properties and a price tag to match. Its rarity, coupled with the energy-intensive extraction process, contributes to its cost. From illuminating our cities to powering cutting-edge technology, neon plays a vital role in our modern world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.